dumb me out, bro.
What up?
Because I remember I was like, got that black dude driving. He in the front seat. He in there?
Yeah, he in there.
He probably cooled in the morning.
Hey, I'm not gonna lie. I might have to make some sacrifices for the wide body challenge.
Why, bro? I need an old school in my life.
This for sure gonna be in the garage.
Look at him going
For
crazy.
sure.
Oh, that's the one with the shrine rack.
Wow.
Cool,
The license plate, no pics.
I mean,
Talk about
it's
no
up
pics.
to
Get out of
you.
here.
No pics with his license plate.
Man, what he doing?
I need one of these for sure.
That's crazy.
These junk going stupid.
Oh, yeah. That's stupid boys, man. It's two different things. Yeah, he's going so hard.
He is probably sounding too ridiculous.
They got the catch can. They go
Airflow, ain't that the
Bro,
He going hard.
you see the character?
the intake, right?
He going hard.
Did I see what? Oh, Tasmanian Devil. He going crazy.
He dope for that. How the fuck did he even get that?
It's a little
That
cover.
shit dope.
Yeah, and it just drank heavily up there.
Bro, I'm getting my
Got the
vitamin
cheap
C.
grand
My
Cherokee,
vitamin
the
C.
older body
That
style.
was fun for a little bit, and then it kind of got old.
Let me see, look.
And I'm job hunting right now, and I'm bringing it to y'all live.
The new bag. Live in action.
I like the calipers, bro. He's
I
going
like
crazy.
the wheel.
I like the calipers, bro.
Only because they green.
Yeah, no, because they just go with the wheel. And the
It does go with the wheel.
He about to, With the ice and shit, you got the carbon fiber in there. Let's go. Oop, my bad.
Have a good one, man.
See you guys.
Oh, it's the Stingray.
It don't look bad, bro.
I'm gonna just throw it out there. That's gotta be in the garage too. For sure, for sure. You think it's gotta be in the garage? It's sure gonna be in the garage.
Yeah, but I was telling you, white interior and inside.
He did have.
Do a tune?
Now this
Okay.
is the toughest Mustang I've seen.
It's better than Cayman.
Sorry, bro, you got some work to do.
Yeah, this boy is hard, bro. I already know I want
Big tough.
it.
Dude got carbon fiber, real carbon. Side skirts.
Oh, this is paint.
He got mud flaps, real carbon. I don't even forgot what this is. I don't know if it's a diffuser or what, but real carbon.
He even got this paint back. Oh, he go hard. Shit, this boy's nice.
And he got the nerve after having all this under the hood.
Footage, man.
Oh yeah,
This
for
is
sure.
Instagram. Follow him on Instagram, y'all.
Oh yes, for sure. Show him some love.
Let me show y'all something.
He about to do the
He
front.
got all this under the hood.
Look at
Then he got the nerve.
that. Going crazy. You said you got what, 650 at the wheels?
He got the nerve to have nitrous in the trunk.
Like it ain't nothing, bro.
In the trunk.
He just went grocery shopping and bought nitrous.
Hey, don't get tricked. Erase this guy, man. Don't get tricked. You might be catching an air.
Right there.
You might be.
All the way around. Like, that's not getting messed up. And carbon fiber everywhere. And that's the real deal Holyfield. You feel me? Yeah.
Let me do it white too.
Y'all ain't never seen this before.
Never. I'm talking about on the rear axle. The supercharger. And it's gotta be like a 2000, maybe 12 or 14.
No, when I saw it, it was more green, but it's green, blue, and yellow.
Y'all just walking too fast, man. Shit, fire, what the fuck is going on? This the joint right here, bro. This is it. This is still it. One coming soon. Coming soon. Oh, you're okay, man.
Nothing. I don't expect to win. Oh, okay.
I would have expected you to win.
That was nice.
Hey, it don't matter. You win the races. That's all that matters.
What the fuck is that?
The truck?
Look at the Aston Martin, bro.
I need one of these too. This is what my granddad used to have, bro.
That's what Grandpa Gotti had.
This is what granddad had. That's what I'm getting in the garage. That's the other
It
body.
looked just like that?
That's the other body style we gotta get.
No, it looked just like this body style?
Which one?
That one.
The one in the garage?
Yeah.
No, the one he had like that is gone already. Yeah, for sure.
So is that the seat's low and the body is up high?
Pretty much.
Oh. Chevrolet. That's something. One day
nigga stuff I ain't never seen before. My man's got the Alien versus Predator emblem instead of the Hellcat emblem, and it look dope too.
I don't even think it's a cat though.
You don't think it's a cat? What is it, a scat?
Huh?
What is it, a scat?
Say SRT.
I think it's a cat, bro.
Think so?
I think so.
I don't know.
Or it could just be a regular SRT. It's definitely possible. We didn't know if he popped the hood
That
for
boy's
us.
sweet. The 300 blackout
Yeah, for sure.
around the backup sensors.
We didn't know if he popped the hood for us though.
Look, it's eating up everything.
What are you talking about?
This shit dope.
This boy is hard. Super clean.
He said eating up everything. Did you say you need one?
Yeah, I need one for sure, bro.
This the one, you just hop in the car, you ain't gotta open the door.
For sure.
Fuck the doors.
got the award if you had the smallest car here award.
That boy is classic, man.
Well,
That boy is dope.
I enjoyed it. I was just driving by and I saw all the cars.
Oh, yeah?
Nice show.
Oh, you got the driving gloves too? Oh, yeah.
With the wood steering wheel and the ring and
Oh, okay.
it's slippery. Actually, truly needed here. There's no creature cover to this car. No power steering, no.
Oh,
nothing.
really? Okay.
All the original rack and pinion steering.
Oh, my God.
The only original or is it it's a continuation series with performance. So it's not a kit build, it's a line build.
What, this? Oh, old school. Yeah, they for sure needed white
You
interior.
needed white interiors for
For
that.
sure needed white interior. But here you go, though. Hey, this what she want. She want a Camaro.
My Camaro SS, I can't wait
A
to get.
Camaro. Jesus
I need
Christ!
to go back to the shop.
Bro, my ears
My
fucked
ears
up.
Evan's loud as
Yeah,
Oh,
I
You got the bass, but yeah,
shit, man.
this shit is loud.
Dog. Now I see what they can see in the videos, bro.
This shit
Not
loud
another
as
one,
fuck,
please,
bro.
bro. I can't.
Let me go back.
know.
This shit is loud, bro. That's them headers, bro. I'm telling you, bro.
Headers.
That's them headers, bro.
Hey.
Once I put headers, I'm good.
Okay, give me 5 pounds. That's what I like to do. Calipers on the white thing.
Oh yeah, you. But I ain't loud.
I didn't.
You going through dummy trade.
Yeah. You see that big ass patch right there? Hey, look. One more time, bro.
The 5.0.
Light that bitch up.
Boy going straight dummy out, bro. You see this?
It's a white out.
I can't even see. Boy going straight stupid.
Yeah, he went crazy, bro. Y'all make sure. Look at this. Look at this, bro. Dog. Y'all make sure y'all follow him on Instagram, man. Right there, dude. Y'all make sure y'all get that, man. Good job, bro. Yeah. That's crazy.
I've never driven one of these. Is this a V4?
Talk about a V4.
We don't need to get the
Let's see it.
out the way.
Oh, okay. Let's see then. Cut up then. You can't whip it like that, bro. Turn up there. Yeah, he going hard, bro. Yeah, he going crazy. Wow! Okay, them boys on fire down there, dude. Yeah, he got good shit, bro. Good shit, bro. I told you, hey, I was like, he ain't going around that pole, though, bro. He ain't going around that pole, bro. He was going around that pole, bro. Yeah, you did your thing, bro. You did your thing, bro.
If you
For real.
got the footage, right?
Yeah, I got the footage for
if
sure.
You need it, we can send it
I
to
got
you so
you,
you
bro.
can use that for yourself.
I send it to you, bro. I tap in with you on Instagram and send it to you, bro. Yeah, yeah.
Get up close to his window right there. It's got his Instagram right
Oh, you already got him, bro.
already got it?
Hey, low key, we riding out tonight on Woodward, bro. You might as well come with us. Yeah.
Shit, bro. Hey, I'll let y'all know though. I'm about to pick up my girl though.
All right, bet. All right, bro. All right.
Hey, keep up the good work, man.
Yeah.
Yo, shit. You.
Yeah.
Wait.